Here we go. I'll just take a little video of the birds out on my front porch. Snowing like crazy out here today. There's the camper over there. We're all snowed in today. I'm not going anywhere for the next few days. I swept off the porch and put some bird seed out there. I got all kinds of birds here. I got my hummingbird feeders in here thawing out. I'm going to put those out here in a little bit. Hummingbird usually comes by later on in the afternoon. And have them out there all thawed out so they can get something. So quiet and peaceful here. This is nice. This is a good place to be. Thank you for watching Life and Times with Danny.